Hey, what's up everyone, it's No Input channel here and welcome back to another video. Before we get started, I'd like to say a huge thank you to Calefo for sending me the full PC immersion bundle and giving me the opportunity to review it. Can this RGB lighting kit really make my gaming setup feel more immersive? Well, we're going to find out. I'll unbox everything, set it up, test it with games and movies, check out the Calefo Sync app, and by the end of the video, I'll let you know if I think it's really worth buying. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, you'll find the product link down in the video description. And don't forget, you can use my discount code NICK15 to get 15% off your order. For today's review, I'll be using my Asus ROG Swift PG32UCTM-R and 4K QD OLED gaming monitor. So let's get started. The first thing I noticed was the packaging. Everything is packed really nicely and it gives you a great first impression. Opening the box, the first thing you see is the LED strip and of course the manuals. This is the main part of the setup and goes around the back of your monitor. Next, you get all the mounting accessories, making it really easy to attach the strip. There's also a smaller box with all the power accessories. Another thing included is the USB connector. After installing the Calefo Sync app, you simply plug the USB into your PC. The app automatically finds the sync box, and after that, you're ready to start changing all of your lighting settings. Now let's talk about my favorite part, the RGB light bars. Inside the box, you get two light bars together with the desktop stands. Right away, I noticed how good the quality feels. They're solid, they have a nice weight to them, and they don't feel cheap at all. Once I placed them next to my monitor, they immediately made the whole setup look cleaner and more premium. You also get the cables, extra accessories, and the user manual as well. I really like that everything you need comes inside the box, no missing parts, no extra cables to buy, everything is ready to go. Setting everything up was actually much easier than I expected. I started by attaching the LED strip to back of my Asus monitor. The included mounting accessories hold everything really well, and after just a few minutes it was done. Next, I placed both RGB light bars on each side of my monitor. Because they have a nice weight to them, they stay exactly where you place them. Once everything was connected, I installed the Calefo Sync app. I plugged the USB into my PC, and within a few seconds the app found the sync box automatically. From there, I could change the brightness, colors, lighting effects, and all the other settings. The whole setup was quick, simple, and very easy. Even if you never used product like this before, you shouldn't have any problems getting everything ready. After trying a few different settings, I quickly found the look that I liked the most. The first game I tested was Halo Combat Evolved, which is currently my favorite shooter. Right away, I noticed how the lights matched everything happening on the screen. The colors changed really smoothly, and it made the whole setup feel much bigger while I was playing. After that, I switched over to The Last of Us Part 1. This game has a completely different style, with lots of dark areas, beautiful lighting, and great colors. The RGB lighting followed everything really well and made the whole experience feel even more immersive. What impressed me the most was how quickly the lights reacted. Everything felt smooth and I didn't notice any delay. Now, gaming wasn't the only thing I wanted to try. I also watched a few movies to see how the lighting looked, and honestly, it was just as impressive. Action scenes filled the room with color, animated movies looked amazing, even slower scenes looked really nice because the light smoothly matched what was happening on the screen. If you're enjoying watching movies at night, I think you'll really like this feature. After spending some time with the Calefo full PC immersion bundle, I can honestly say that I really enjoyed using it. The setup is simple, the app is easy to use, the build quality feels really good, the LED strip works great, the light bars look fantastic, and together they create really rich colors around your monitor that make your setup feel much more immersive. If you're a PC gamer and you're looking for a high quality RGB sync system, I think this is a fantastic product. There's only one thing I would love to see in the future. Right now, this system only works on PC. I think it would be amazing if Calefo also made a version for consoles like the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X, because I know a lot of console gamers would love something like this too. But for PC, I honestly think this is one of the best RGB sync kits I've ever used. Before ending today's video, I'd like to say a huge thank you once again to Calefo for sending me the full PC immersion bundle and giving me the opportunity to review it. If you'd like to get one for yourself, you'll find the product product link down into the video description, and don't forget you can save 15% off by using discount code NICK15. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and let me know down in the comments what you think about this setup. As always, thank you all so much for watching and for supporting the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.